Turkey and Tunisia have signed an agreement to export $150 million worth of defense industry products. Among the products to be exported are unmanned aerial vehicles, armored vehicles and optical systems. ANKA-S UAVs produced by the Turkish Aerospace are exported to Tunisia for the first time. Besides ANKA-S UAV platform, Tunisia bought armored vehicles and electro-optical systems from Turkey. President of Turkish Defense Industry İsmail Demir announced that exports totaling $150 million were signed with 5 companies. A major part of the export will be financed by Turkish Exim Bank. With this agreement, Tunisia will have 3 ANKA-S UAV platform. These platforms can be on air for more than 24 hours and can carry 250 kilograms payload. The first export agreement of the ANKA-S UAV platform will be followed by other agreements from different countries. It has been known that some Southeast Asian and South American countries have an interest in Turkish aerospace products. Turkish defense company Baykar Defense previously exported Bayraktar TB2 UAVs to Azerbaijan, Qatar, and Ukraine. SATCOM-capable ANKA-S UAV platform has been used by the Turkish Air Force and Turkish Navy.